How to use VN Video Editor app. Now in order to use VN Video Editor app, first of all you need to install it from the App Store or Play Store, and after that you will get this home page. Now you just simply need to tap into this plus button in order to edit the videos in VN Video Editor. Just simply tap there, and now you will get options to create a new project. Just simply tap to new project, and you can choose video based editing and music based editing. Just simply select which is perfect for you. Now tap to save button, and it will create this page where you need to select the image or the video which you would like to edit. For example, I'm selecting this video, and after this tap to next button. Now it will add the clip or the image that you have chosen into this page where you can edit music, text and overlays and the video, and you can choose all of these options such as filter, trim, FX, speed, volume and many more to edit the video. Now you can customize your video as you want by using any of these options right here. This way you can use VN Video Editor application into your device. I hope this video have been helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.